Why, hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Kevin's computer build. Kevin, show yourself. Look at that. So, I've brought Kevin here. Kevin, it's his first day in the office, and I got him a computer that he gets to use, of course. And you can see there's a case right there, the same Thor case that we've always used. I mean, we got the power supply, we got the RAM, SSD. Processor, motherboard, graphics card, cooler. I'm actually trying a new CPU cooler this time. It had quite amazing reviews and it looks quite interesting as well. So we'll see how this works. Ultra quiet too. Then Blackmagic hard drives and some monitors. So I'm going to start getting stuff in here. I'm going to just be throwing it in left and right. Kevin, of course, is going to be providing plenty of color commentary. We'll do a few different check-ins here and there, and then at the very end we'll have Kevin's computer.
He thinks I do commentary.
Kevin, please.
Right.
We have the motherboard unboxing right now, as you can see.
Hi, Mom.
The Republic of Gamers motherboard.
Wowee.
The Asus Maximus 6 Extreme.
Wow.
Sorry, I had trouble with Roman numerals there for a second. Okay, let's see. So, oh, look at this. I gave it a 0.5. Disabled when MC PCI combo 2 NGFF slot in use. Okay. So oh no. Kevin.
What? Jordan.
Kevin.
Jordan.
I accidentally left some residue on.
You're ruining my computer.
You can't even see that stuff.
Oh my god.
Okay, so it looks like we got bunches of great stuff
here. It's gonna heat up and melt all over everything.
We got this nice motherboard. Oh.
Jordan!
Oh.
Jordan!
Kevin, it's okay. It's okay. We'll get some Gooby Gone on there. I'll just wash it off in the sink really quick. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. We're good to go with installing the CPU and the fan. Of course, in the meantime, using the...
I'm a real big fan of the fan.
Kevin, please. Stop it. Stop it. There are no such things. Stop it, Kevin. Don't wave at the... Oh, man, I almost dropped the processor. Okay. So here we go. Okay, so here we go. The most pivotal point of this entire thing is installing the processor correctly. With every last inch of finesse I possess...
And and we're processing.
We are darn sure processing. Look at that right there. Okay.
If that doesn't process, only you know I'm gonna believe.
Oh, it's gonna process. It's gonna process. So
that's some process.
We want some process. So now we get the fan. Now this can sometimes be the most difficult part. The most difficult part of the entire build.
I believe that when I see it.
Because what happens is, a lot of the time, there's different sockets in order to attach this to the motherboard, and sometimes it sucks. It sucks very bad.
So basically what we're looking at right here is Jordan not knowing how to properly install a heatsink.
Listen, I took the gamble. I took the big gamble of buying a new heatsink. And with a new heatsink comes new difficulties.
Jordan, the only thing being difficult here is you.
That's not true, Kevin. Stop being so mean.
I'm instruction book, yeah.
I'm building your computer. Yes, the instruction book has told me something, but it does not exactly work with this motherboard. So,
Jordan, did you buy a heatsink that's incompatible?
No, this heatsink is perfectly compatible, Kevin. It's you that isn't compatible.
What's that supposed to mean, Jordan?
You would think I'm good. It's just going to be a little bit of a stressful few seconds.
Stressful few seconds.
Boom! It'll be good. I just have to, like I said, just a few stressful few seconds. It's not that big of a deal.
You're saying, earlier you were saying you were going to YOLO my computer?
Well, not so much in so many words, but yes.
I would very much love it if you did not YOLO my computer.
Kevin, to be honest, I'm the one building the computer here, so...
Yeah, and that's why I'm saying, please, just be gentle. Don't do that thing that you're about to do.
Don't worry, don't worry. I'm just double checking here before I do anything drastic. Okay, I think I'm good to go here. Let's see here. I mean, I just need to
Can't
do
trust you at all.
I mean, okay. Okay, this is going to be a little bit crazy here. It's going to get a little bit crazy. me just put some thermal paste on there first. I'm YOLOing it, Kevin.
Jordan.
I'm officially YOLOing your computer here.
Please.
Here we go.
I just want a PC.
Let me first take this out of its thing here.
If this fucking thing overheats, what I get? Oh, I thought you pulled something out you weren't supposed to pull out.
No, it's okay. Okay.
If this thing overheats, when I build my home PC, I'm not bringing it to you.
Kevin, see that thermal paste right there?
I do.
See that thermal paste? That is what is going to liberate this PC from the heat that it may endure.
It's gonna sink that heat like it's the Titanic.
Yeah, I guess you could use that.
Wait, it's a different kind of sink.
Well, yeah, I guess you could say that. Here we go. This could get a little bit chaotic. Just stay with me here, Kevin. Stay with me here. Stay with me here, Kevin. Stay with me here.
I'm staying.
Okay, so let's get this. Oh man. Almost destroyed everything right there, Kevin.
That wouldn't be the first time.
Okay, got one piece in.
Now, as you can see, folks, he's going in. He's got the paste down. He's got the heat sink on it. He's putting in the, I don't know what that piece is called right there.
A bolt. Or the clip.
No, not the bolt, the clip, yeah.
Okay, here we go. Oh man. Kevin.
Jordan.
Kevin, it's okay, it's okay. So I gotta do a little bit on this side. Not too much though, because I need a little bit of play on this side as I crush the heatsink down into the processor. Oh, Kevin, I think I got it. Kevin!
You know, part of me hopes that you really did.
Kevin.
The other part of me is really wishing. Actually, it's really glad I didn't pay for this.
Well, I mean, this is a really strange heatsink. So I'm kind of like it's a new experience.
Well, it looks like part of a pod racer.
It does. Okay, Kevin, I did it. And then you take this bad boy, you plug it into the CPU fan.
All right.
Which is all the way over here. Now let's hope. I couldn't find any clear indication, but I think this is the intake, and then it pushes it that way.
So if it's on backwards right now.
Yeah, but I mean, it doesn't make sense that you'd have the fan on this side pushing air this way, does it?
Depends on the way it goes in. Kevin,
just agree with me for once. Just agree with me for once.
Well, Jordan, yeah, I think you're right.
Okay, that's...
Because I didn't see those before, which is the back of the computer. So yeah, it does make sense for it to be like that.
Yep, this is the back. It just, pushes it out. Just...
Unless it's sucking air in. Which...
It's not going to suck air in. That's not how it works, Kevin. Okay.
Fans are designed to suck air in.
You actually got quite the special treat. These are a very, very high-end,
You're about to say stylish.
Well, they are kind of stylish as well.
I mean, they do have the red...
I mean, look at that. Look at this.
Ah, look at that.
Those are some high. These are 24 hundos. These are 24 hundos.
2400s.
That's pretty good. That's some pretty good.
How much is each stick?
Huh?
How much is each stick?
I think 8.
8. 16 gigs. That's like 8 more gigs than I had at home.
Huh? There you go, Kevin.
Man, the special treatment I'm getting here. My company really appreciates me.
Be quiet, Kevin. Stop crying back there. Man up.
You sure rammed that RAM in there.
Kevin. Okay, now it is time to put the motherboard inside said computer.
Right? Oh, my favorite part.
So this is going to be quite the... It's usually all about getting all the wires out of the way, because these wires are all in the way.
It's okay, wires. We'll probably not use them.
Don't pamper them. There it goes, Kevin. Kevin, I got it.
Oh, look at that.
I got it, Kevin.
Beautiful.
Stop it. Stop showing those cool angles.
Beautiful.
Stop showing those cool angles, Kevin.
Now that we got the motherboard mostly out of the way here in a minute, we get to move on to your favorite part of putting together computers. Don't we?
Yep, sure do. Sure do. And that would be power supply adding. This is the part where you plug in this
Just plug in
power
that bad
supply.
boy.
And then you have to plug it to every little single component in the motherboard.
Oh boy.
Which usually turns out to be, like I told Kevin, the worst part of the job. Oh, smell that. Oh.
It smells like shoe polish.
It smells like a barn.
You know, kind of like a zoo.
Yeah, like a zoo, a barn, same thing.
So shoe polish.
What?
Well, there's the motherboard in it. And
Well,
the power supply.
You see, Kevin,
However, I think, Jordan...
I have some bad news. I kind of forgot your CD drive.
Jordan.
I forgot it. I'm sorry, okay?
I need a CD drive, Jordan.
You don't need a CD drive. It's overrated.
I can't install an operating system from the disk
Oh, Kevin.
without a CD drive.
Kevin. You see, the thing is with operating systems is that they're in the air. They're inside all of us.
Are you telling me to illegally download one right now?
No, that's not what I said. I said
Are you telling me
No.
that they're in the air, like on the net?
No,
You're telling
I
me
never
to
said that.
illegally download.
You're putting words in my mouth.
You told me to illegally download.
I never said that.
That's illegal.
My
You
goodness.
don't do that, Jordan.
Sometimes in life, there are times when you wish you had something. But then you can't exactly get that stuff because it's out of reach. And it's not exactly something that you can obtain. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get what
You understand? That's what I'm talking about.
I know exactly what you're
So I'll be a little bit more fortunate. Feel a little bit more, you know. Exactly. So there we go. I got everything powered up. I think the only thing I need to plug in is the CD drive. Oh wait. Kevin.
Get that cinematic shot in here.
Kevin, please stop it. Okay, so we're about to turn it on for the first time.
My
Here
baby.
we go. Here we go.
Jordan, is it supposed to make that noise?
Well, you know, it does that sometimes. Oh.
Jordan.
Oh.
Huh? Hey.
Oh.
Huh? Just gotta get everything ready, right?
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Hey, it started.
It just seems like one of the cords is slightly touching one of the fans.
Yeah, it's like... Yeah.
That's pretty good right there.
Oh, man. So?
Success. The thing I need to do is install the last operating system of Windows 7 we have in this office.
I am so honored. I am honestly so honored that I get that.
Man, this thing is loud.
Yeah, it's almost like it's gonna damage the cable.
Yeah, it might eventually.
If it, you're not gonna do anything about it?
I'm just giving it a second. Giving it a second to breathe the free air. I also need to open it up while it's still going so I can see which cable's getting hit. So bring it down for the low angle, Kevin.
Bring it down. Careful, Jordan. Oh, look at that. Beautiful insides.
Okay, I'm really not seeing which fan's getting hit here.
Here, let me get the light.
Here, watch out. There's a fan going right here, too. Oh, that's beautiful, Kevin. Thank you. Aha, I found it.
Beautiful.
It is. Oh.
Huh?
These free-flowing fans on this graphics card is where I was getting hit.
The free-flowing fans. Is the one on the underside of that?
See, it's right. It's like right as the contact is, so I gotta like just maroon that in there. Perfect. Okay.
Beautiful.
This is actually like doing some good cooling there, Kevin.
Yeah, it is.
Doing some good cooling right there.
Absolutely,
I'll tell you
most
what.
Definitely is.
Okay. That's loud though. That's pretty loud.
Yeah, it is very loud.
I can turn down the revs on that thing though. I'm gonna install some Windows.
Wow. What a window of opportunity you have for that.
Why did we bring you out here? That's the worst. That is the absolute worst. CPU fan speed, 2,800 RPMs.
What the fuck? Bro, yo.
That's
what?
insane.
Why?
2,800 RPMs.
Why? Why is that at 2800?
Well, can I adjust this? That's ridiculous. Man, Kevin, I don't know what to do here. That fan is running pretty crazy right there.
Well,
oh wait, fan speed control.
Fan speed control. The button clearly labeled fan speed control.
You know, I was kind of dumb. I didn't install this. This is the fan control for that.
Are you fucking kidding me right
Yeah,
now,
it
Jordan?
is. Well, I saw it and I was like, I'm not going to need it. I can just do it in the BIOS.
You're fucking kidding. So can you not do anything right now? Or are you saying you can do it from the BIOS?
Wait. Okay, saving changes and resetting. Here we go. For some reason, that didn't change anything.
That did not change at all. So, what part of, like, at what point, tell me Jordan, at what point did you install the fan and then finish installing everything? At what point in there did you think it was okay to not install the fan speed control?
Well, when I saw it, I went a little quieter.
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit quieter there. You're going to have a nice, cool computer, Kevin. Let me tell you what. Your computer is going to be the coolest one in the office.
Better be.
It's going to be cool.
It's got so many fucking fans, it better be.
Yeah, I got it down to 2,100 RPMs.
2100, you took it down 700.
2,000 RPMs. Or, sorry, 700 RPMs. It's down to 2,000 RPMs.
Well, Jordan, you know what they say. Done fucked up.
Well, I can make it even turbo.
Please don't make it even more turbo.
Well, Kevin, you're going to have a very loud computer. I hope that's okay. You have good noise canceling on your mic? Noise canceling?
Jordan.
Noise canceling? Kevin, I've never felt like a computer pump out so much air.
Yeah, me either.
That's pretty crazy. See that? Turned it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Turned it down a little bit. Kevin, I'll probably just install this like tomorrow or something.
Yeah. I don't doubt you will.
It's just all sorts of work.
Well,
And plugging in stuff and like... you think I'm going to do that for you after what you did to me today?
what did I do to you?
Maybe put together your computer. There we go. See, easy as pie. Just have to do a few little... Just plug it in there, and it's good to go.
Bolt it in.
I mean, I could technically do it after this. Maybe I will. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's been building Kevin's computer. I hope you enjoyed. Kevin, did you have fun? Okay. It's auto-adjusting to the light, so you're a big silhouette. Oh, okay. Kevin!
Jordan.
Okay, well, I'm going to install Windows 7 on here. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for more computer building.